god!
That is the cutest thing I've ever seen! Pull over!
Oh, this is so cute! It's so cute. Can I touch it?
Sure.
Introducing the Nokia 7705 Twist, an amazingly small 3-inch square that swivels open to a full QWERTY keyboard. And it has a full HTML browser, so you can view websites like they appear on your computer. It also has a cool contact light ring with 6 different colors to show incoming calls, texts, and missed calls. In the Habitat mode display, you can assign your contacts one of 400 avatar combinations. Grab pics and video with a 3-megapixel camera. You can also edit those photos right on the phone and post to social networking sites. And have background music play while texting or editing photos. A new twist on staying connected. The Nokia 7705 Twist. From Nokia.